want to increase your low quality images into high quality, so you are on the right video. We have required 2 apps for method 1 and also 2 apps for method 2. Make sure you watch till end. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. In this video I'm going to share with you how to increase your image details and how to turn low quality images into high quality. So this is the Remini app. If you watch my videos already, so you already know what is the Remini app. If you don't know, so this is a brief for you. Remini is a photo enhancer app. In simple words, it's increase or clear your old or blurry images or low resolution quality images into high quality, as you can see here in before and after. So after enhancement, simply click on save button to save the image. And now we are going to open the Snapseed app and simply open the Remini enhanced image in Snapseed app. After open the image, here is you can see the tools option. Simply click on tools option and you can see a lot of tools available. I am only tuning the image and increase little bit details and structure. After it, we have need to adjust colors according to your preference. I'm do according to my preference. I'm already make video on Snapseed app how to do it. If you need to know in depth how to do it in Snapseed, because it's really useful. After enhancing the image Remini, we have need to do little bit color correction or increasing the details according to image, according to our preferences. So I'm do according to my preference. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, so make sure you consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. So I'm just using the selection tool to make face little bit brighter, and now after it I'm adding the HDR effect. Simply click on HDR and select people, and now use very minimum value to make it looks like much better. So as you can see here, now image looks like much better. Now simply click on top right 3 corner menu and select settings, and make sure you set JPG quality to 100% to get full quality of your image, and after click on export. So now comes to the second method. In second method we have required Remini app and Lensa app. Remini app for enhancement. After enhancing the image, we have need to open Lensa app. Lensa app also available on Google Play Store, and provide all the apps links in the description. Lensa app provide you 3 photos for per day. After 1 day you can get again 3 photos for free. Paid plans also available. After adding the image, Lensa AI takes some time to check your image. If you like blurred background images like DSLR effect, so this is one of the best app for you. This app automatically adjusts each and everything like exposure, background blur, and this is the magic correction tool. As you can see here, I am increasing and decreasing this effect. This is one of the best if you really don't know about the editing, so this app automatically do for you. Even here colors changing option available and intensity option available. Intensity makes it looks like natural, so this is really useful, but I am not using it at all. I am just giving you overview of the Lensa app. So now comes to the second option, backdrop option. This really works very well in my opinion, because you can see here a lot of premium type of backdrops available. But now comes to the adjust. In adjust option you have general, mean your image foreground and background adjust together, and even you have an option to do this separately, mean foreground and background adjustment. Even exposure, contrast, vibrance and highlights and shadows available in both foreground and background. This is one of the best app I have found on the Google Play Store and also for Apple Store for iOS devices, and this app is one of the best in my opinion for photo editing. If you like DSLR effect or like blurred images background, so this is one of the best for you. So as you can see here, we have a lot of flexibility to do in the foreground and background with the image. One thing remember about the Lensa app only works best with the portrait images. If this app not detect any type of face in your image, so maybe you can't get a lot of features like I'm getting, like backdrop effects, filters, foreground and background separate, color adjustment, etc. So you can't get a lot of features, you can get only few features to enhance your image. In this scenario, Snapseed is also good option if you don't like the Lensa app, but Lensa app one of the best if you like the blurred image background like DSLR effect. So this is one of the best option in my opinion. So you have an option to increase and decrease filters values according to your preference, and also different type of filters available in this app, and also different type of art styles available. This app needs internet connection. Remember that Snapseed not require any type of internet connection, and first time this app downloads its resources, and you have need to wait until your resources downloading, whether it's artifacts, art styles or filters. As you can see here, both art styles looking really good here. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, so make sure you consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. And please also let me know in the comment section which one method do you prefer, method 1 or method 2. I prefer method 2 because you can get much better background blurred image like DSLR, and it's working on all type of images, even you capture with your smartphone, and even it's very old image. On the last you can see here the border option. Simply add border to your actual image. So now I'm going to save this image. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. If you have any type of queries or questions, so please ask me in the comment section and give me your suggestions about this app. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will show you that you enjoy the next part of video because I'm compared Remini versus original, and then compared original versus Snapseed versus Lensa app images. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and enjoy this comparison. I hope you like this video and share with others. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.